Monkey is tired. Not physically. Mentally, he's been looking for a job every day now, but every listing says, must have 10 years of experience in something that didn't even exist 10 months ago. So today, Monkey is testing 7 boring but high-paying remote jobs that are always hiring. First up, customer support agent. Pay, decent. Difficulty, emotional damage. Monkey lasted exactly 3 minutes before someone said, I want to speak to your manager. Monkey is the manager. Next, data entry. The definition of boring, but it pays. Monkey typed numbers until he began questioning reality. At one point, he wasn't sure if he was inputting data or slowly losing his mind. 3. Content moderator. This job pays surprisingly well. Why? Because you see things you can't unsee. 4. Transcriptionist sounds easy until you get a recording of someone mumbling underwater with 3 accents at once. Monkey typed inaudible more times than actual words. 5. Online tutor. Online tutoring pays really well, but Monkey didn't realise he'd be explaining the same math problem for 45 minutes straight, while the student's mic cuts out every 5 seconds. He survived, barely. 6. AI training worker. All you do is label stuff. Is this a cat? Is this an email or a threat? Is this photo a sandwich or a crime scene? Monkey actually enjoyed this one. It's boring but zen. And lastly, a virtual assistant. It's high-paying and always hiring. And Monkey only had one job, remind someone about a meeting. He forgot. He immediately fired himself. So after trying 7 boring but high-paying remote jobs, Monkey learned something important. Being bored is temporary, but being broke is permanent, and in the new year these jobs might not be glamorous, but they're always hiring.